Uh, Hello. This is week 3 of the portfolio assignment. We'll be talking about ethics. First question is, what are your ethics? Uh, one of my ethics is integrity, and by that I mean I would do things the right way, and there will be no shortcuts taken. I make sure that I follow all the rules. I work hard and I don't cheat to reach my goals. The second one is teamwork slash family. I will work to create a family environment where teamwork is emphasized. So basically, everybody will be comfortable around each other, and we'll work as a team to reach our goals. Then another one is honesty. I will work to be someone who values honesty. Basically, meaning I will always try to be a straight shooter, don't sugarcoat anything, and make sure that I'm honest with everybody that I'm working with. And what is my personal brand? My personal brand is one where hard work is valued, meaning that we'll do the little things to make sure. I would do the little things to make sure that I'm successful. I'll be reliable. If I say I'm going to do something, then I'm going to try to make sure that I try to do it. I'll make sure that people are seen as an individual, as being a head coach or something. Sometimes you can sit back and only see the big picture, but I'll make sure that I value each and every one that is in my program, and I value the process. So some people only look at the outcome, but I'll value and value value the process, and then and I am fun. I'll make sure that while working on the process that we have fun. Don't take all the fun out of it, because that is important also.